Nice to meet you. Welcome to the Busan National Science Museum. My name is Youngjae Kim, and I'm a science communicator. I'll be leading today's tour, the first talk. Our museum has 3 main halls showcasing the industries of Busan, Ulsan, and Gyeongnam. I'll guide you through the key exhibits in each hall. Let's start with Hall 1. How did you get here today? By car? By bus? By subway? Or on foot? Okay. In Hall 1, you'll find everything you need to build a car. Gyroscope VR. This is the Gyroscope VR ride where you can experience the forces of rotation. Give it a try after the first talk. Transtopia. Here, we can watch videos about the car manufacturing process and self-driving cars. The running time is about 3 minutes. Please take your seat when the video starts. Engine, it makes the car go by turning fuel into energy. Transmission, it helps control how fast or slow the car moves. Now continue the video. When the lights turn on, please stand up and move to the next exhibit. Next, we'll move on to the Aerospace Zone, where you can explore various forms of airborne transportation. UAM means Urban Air Mobility. It's like a flying car or a big drone that can carry people or goods through the air in cities. Instead of driving on crowded roads, you fly above the traffic like a shortcut through the sky. They use electricity, so they are quiet and good for the earth. They go straight up and down like a helicopter. A vertiport is a special place where these flying vehicles can take off and land vertically. It is a place to switch to other kinds of transportation, like a future travel hub to continue your journey. In the future, we might ride UAMs to school, to the airport, or to visit friends. It's like a flying taxi. Let's move to Hall 2. Busan is an international port city and home to a major shipbuilding industry. Here, you'll find exhibits related to ships, including the principle of buoyancy, various ship technologies, and future ship designs. Look, there's a big elephant on a boat. Thanks to buoyancy, the boat stays afloat. Buoyancy is the force that allows objects in water or air to float upward. You'll find several interactive exhibits here to explore buoyancy in action. Give them a try. The Kobuksan was a Korean warship used during the Japanese invasions of Korea. It was designed by the famous Korean admiral Lee Sun-shin. The ship was covered with a protective roof made of iron spikes, like a turtle shell. This helped protect it from enemy arrows and boarding attempts. It had a dragon-shaped head at the front that could shoot cannons or even smoke. It was one of the first armored warships in the world. The Kobuksan helped Korea win many naval battles, even when outnumbered. Various roles of ships. Here, you can explore many different types of ships that are made in South Korea, from drill ships to giant LNG carriers. Look closely. All 7 big ships have something in common, the same color. Can you spot it? Exactly. All the ships have red bottoms. The lower part of each hull is painted red. Red paint helps keep the ship clean and fast by stopping sea creatures from sticking to it. Ballast water processing device. This is a ballast water processing device. This system uses a filtering process and UV lamps to treat the water and protect marine life. 4D Experience Zone. These are 4D ride exhibits. Please check the operation hours to try it. Motorboard Simulator is available for elementary school students or older. Please check the operation hours to try it. Sketch Ocean Wall. Pick a sketch and color it any way you like. Watch your drawing appear on the screen. Can you see? You can enjoy this in 2 ways. Use the kiosk or try the scanner. It's up to you. What is energy? The power to move something or to change something. People get energy to eat. Machines get energy to use fuel like electricity. Now, let's move to Hall 3, where you can explore the history of energy and discover exhibits related to medical science. Energy Pulley. A pulley is a smart machine that helps us save energy and lift things more easily. There are 3 types of pulleys. Fixed pulley changes the direction of force like a window blind. Movable pulley reduces the effort needed to lift an object by half. Compound pulley combines both fixed and movable pulleys to make lifting even easier. Here, we have 2 chairs connected to compound pulleys. Which one do you think will be easier to lift? It's a good point to compare the number of compound pulleys. Energy of the toes. When we walk, pressure and vibration create electrical energy. This is called piezoelectric energy. Piezoelectric energy is generated by converting kinetic energy into electrical energy. Step on the special floor and make your own electricity. That's piezoelectric energy. Look at the screen. It shows how much energy you made with your step. Piezoelectric energy is a form of energy harvesting. Energy harvesting is a technology that captures energy wasted in the surrounding environment and converts it into useful electrical energy. Examples of energy harvesting include jumping energy and energy-generating roads for bicycles. Now, let's move to the Medical Science Zone. The Medical Science Zone consists of exhibits on modern medical science, advances in medical science, and future medical innovations. Health Center. Human Body Layers Observation. On the screen, you can see the bones, muscles, organs, and other components that make up our body. This will help you understand your body better. Move and explore the different parts of the human body. Modern medical science. When we're sick, doctors can diagnose us through biopsies or imaging techniques. We can check the condition of our bodies using methods like biopsy and imaging, X-ray, ultrasound, MRI, CT scans to detect disease. If you feel pain, you go to the hospital, and sometimes surgery is required. This is a surgery room where a liver transplant is performed. Regenerative medical care. Organoid. An organoid is one of the regenerative medicines. It is a tiny mini version of an organ that scientists grow in a laboratory. Organoids are made from special cells, such as stem cells. Organoids can help us discover the causes of disease and even replace animal experiments. With a microscope, you can see tiny organoid heart, kidney, and large intestines. Before completing your visit to Hall 3, feel free to stop by the Photo Zone, where you can take a photo and experience what it's like to be a medical scientist. This is the end of the first talk tour. I hope you enjoyed exploring the exhibits and learning about the fascinating world of science and technology. Please feel free to continue exploring and enjoy the rest of your time here at the museum. Thank you for joining and have a wonderful day.